Assalamu alaikum children. Welcome to the science class for the grade 3. This is lesson number 11, force, part 2. In the previous video we have studied about force, what is force, and some actions of push and pull we have seen, and what can force do. So in this we have seen force can move objects, force can stop a moving object, force can change the shape of an object, force can make things go faster, it can slow down things, and you use force when you twist or squeeze something. Okay, and with this activity also we have seen how can we move the things by applying the force. So here are some exercises. Let's see. In the quick check, fill in the blanks. Force can change the shape and dash of an object. So force can change the shape and size of an object. Next one, the force we apply when we fix a nail on the wall is, which action is this when we are fixing a nail into the wall? That is pushing action. So we have written here push. The force applied when we close a door is, when we close a door, so this action can be push or pull, both, because if we are closing the door from outside, then we are pulling it. If we are closing the door from the inside the room, so it means we are pulling it. So this action can be push or pull. So here we have written either push or pull. So here some of the lesson. Force can move an object, force can change the shape of an object, force make things go faster or slow down, and it can change the direction of a moving thing. So these we have seen the definition of force, that a push or a pull of an object is force. Okay, here is the word bank with new words with the meaning. What is force? A push or pull on an object. Next, what is push? To use force to move something. Use force to move something. And what is pull? To bring something closer by using force. Pushing away, moving away something, that is push. And something we are dragging to us, means towards us, that is called pull. So here are some tick the correct answers. Let's see. Which of these will move when you blow on it? What are the things which can move when you just blow it? A pencil box, can it move when you blow it? No. A piece of paper? Yes, it can move when we blow air from our mouth. A pencil? No, it cannot move by just blowing. Papaya? No. So correct answer is a piece of paper. Which of the following moves faster? A car, bicycle, a child walk, an aeroplane. Yes, aeroplane is correct answer. Next, what are you using when you lift your school bag? When you lift your school bag, which force you use? Whether you use push or pull. Do you push when you are taking the bag? No. Do you pull? Yes. When we want to lift a bag, we need to pull it towards us. So correct answer is pull. A twist? No. None of this? No. Correct answer is pull. D-bit. What do the keys of the keyboard need when you type? When you are typing something on your computer or in your mobile phone, which force you need? We need push. This force we need. So a push is correct answer. So here our next bit is true or false. State T for true and F for false. Force can change the shape of an object. Yes, it is true. This is right. So we are writing here T for true. Force cannot stop a moving object. Is the statement correct? No. It is saying that force cannot stop a moving object. Force can stop a moving object. You can stop the ball while playing by using your force. So this statement is false, wrong. So we are writing F here. Next one, force cannot slow down things. Force can slow down the things. So this statement is wrong. We have written F here. Next, force can change the direction. Yes, right, true. T we have written here. Okay, here are match the following. Force matches with can change the shape of soft materials such as clay. Pull matches with is opening a door. Push matches with typing on a keyboard of a computer. So this is your match the following. Okay, complete this part in your textbooks. Next bit, name the actions for the following pictures. Use the words given in the box. Here help box is given. By using these words you have to write the correct word by seeing this picture. So this girl is pulling the rubber band. Okay, so this action matches with stretch. So we have written stretch because she is stretching the rubber band. This boy is folding the clothes for removing the water from it when he is washing the clothes. So this action matches with squeeze. He is squeezing the cloth to drain the water. Next, this animal is pulling the cart. So it matches with pull. And here some people are pushing the bus. So here we have written push. Okay. Then after that we have just 2 question answers in this lesson. Answer the following questions. What is force? What can force do? Write 4 ways in which you use force in our daily lives. So when I send you the notes, first you have to write hard words neatly in your notebooks. So this is lesson number 11. Write hard words first, then write question answers, and complete all your textbook exercises by seeing this video, or first you read the bits carefully once, twice, thrice, then select the correct answer, choose the correct answer and take it. Then after that this bit also you have to complete in your textbook. Okay, then question answers in notebook, write neatly, complete your notes. The total 11 lessons notes you have to make sure that you have completed it in your notebooks. Okay, that's it for today's video. Take care of yourself. Inshallah next new lesson we will start in the next video. Allah Hafiz.